Hey up everyone, this is just a quick one to give anyone interested the heads up. Despite all the bad news, if you're a KTM fan, now may be the time if you are looking at a new one. We have talked about prices dropping in several videos, but there has now finally been an official announcement. KTM has confirmed that it is dropping the prices on a huge list of models across both their on and off-road ranges. Now this is obviously being done in an attempt to increase sales to help the financial troubles, but for some it may be an opportunity. The 2024 KTM 990 Duke has had a massive £2,000 cut from its previous price. That means it will be retailing at a considerably less high-end price of £10,999. KTM have announced what they're calling a new round of power deals covering more than 30 models. 14 road bikes are included in the list of power deals from KTM, all of which are the 2024 models. Even the smallest bike, the KTM 125 Duke, has had almost £1,000 slashed from its list price. The biggest savings are on the 1290 Super Duke GT, which is being punted out at a jaw-dropping £3,000 less than the previous retail price. The 890 Adventure R and even the 1390 Super Duke R and the R Evo have had their prices slashed too. And as I said, these are the official retail prices that have been slashed. They are not dealer offers. This is obviously a vain attempt to try and shift the backlog of stock that is at the centre of the financial woes we have been talking about. And there is no guarantee any of the bikes will be built any better than what has been churned out over the last 2 years or so. But they are now a hell of a lot cheaper than they were. Where this may help them a lot is in the off-road market. I can see that for many who don't see a viable competitive option on the market, that the XC, SX and SXF models will be looking very tempting right now. But remember, until the end of the month when the 90-day administration term runs out and the shareholders vote, everything is in limbo. There are already parts supply issues, and the stop on the production line has been extended until at least March, so there are still many unanswered questions. I will go through prices later, but the 1290 Super Duke GT, our recommended retail price, has dropped from £18,999 to £15,899. The 1390 Super Duke R and the R Evo models both offer slightly less of a saving, with just £2,700 chopped off the retail price. The 1390 Super Duke R can be had for £15,299 and the R Evo model for just £16,899. There are a huge selection of adventure models included in the offerings from KTM too. The 1290 Super Adventure S and R models have both had £2,600 hacked off the prices. Then we get to the dirt bikes. The XCF, the XCF 6 Days and the XCF Champions Edition models are all discounted, as well as the Enduro range. Then there are more discounts on the 4SX motocross models and the 4SXF bikes, including the SXF Factory Edition. Leading the way when it comes to the biggest price drops for the off-road segment in this entire motocross range, with savings of £1,800 available on every model. That includes the new 2025 SXF Factory Edition, which comes in the all-new Red Bull Factory Racing livery. With the road bikes, it's only the 2024 models that are being officially discounted at the moment, whereas with the dirt bikes, it's both 2024 and 2025 models that are being discounted. The details are as follows. The KTM 125 Duke was retailing for £4,899 and has had a £900 discount to make its retail price just £3,999. The KTM 390 Duke was retailing for $5,699 and has had an £800 discount to make its retail just $4,899. The KTM 790 Duke was retailing for $7,999 and that's had £1,200 discount to make its retail price just $6,799. The KTM 1390 Super Duke R was retailing for $17,999 and has had a £2,700 discount to make its retail price £15,299. And the 1390 Super Duke R Evo was retailing for $19,599 and has had the same £2,700 discount to make its retail price £16,899. The KTM 890 SMT was retailing for $12,999, but with a £2,100 discount, it's now £10,899. The KTM 1290 Super Duke GT was retailing for $18,999, but has had the biggest price cut of all, and a £3,100 discount makes its retail price now just £15,899. Not too much if you say it quickly. Then we come to the adventure bikes. The KTM 390 Adventure was retailing for $6,599 and has had a £1,400 discount to make its retail price £5,199. The 390 Adventure SW was retailing for $6,999 and that has had the same £1,400 discount to make its retail price just $5,599. And the 790 Adventure, retailing for $10,499, has had a £1,800 discount, dropping the price to just £8,699. The KTM 890 Adventure was retailing for $12,699, but has had a smaller £1,300 cut in price to make its retail price $11,399, and probably the least attractive buy. But the 890 Adventure R, which was $13,999, has been given the biggest discount of £1,700 to make a £12,299 retail price now. The 1290 Super Adventure S was $17,499 and the 1290 Super Adventure R was $18,199. Both have had their prices cut by £2,600 to make them $14,899 and $15,599 respectively now. And now we get to the dirty stuff. All of the XCF range have got a £1,250 price cut. That puts the 250 price at $9,499, the 350 at $9,749, the 450 at $10,049, and the 500 at $10,249. The XCF 6 days get a slightly smaller discount at just £1,000 off. They are now $10,399 for the 250, $10,599 for the 350, $10,999 for the 450, and $11,199 for the 500. The XCF Champions Edition gets the same £1,000 discount too. They are now $10,099 for the 250, $10,299 for the 350, $10,699 for the 450, and $10,899 for the 500. Last but very much not least, the whole SX and SXF range has had £1,800 slashed from what was the retail price. That means the 125 SX is now retailing for £7,199, the 150 SX for $7,599, the 250SX for $7,999 and the 300SX for $8,299. Lastly, the 4 SXF models get the same treatment, all with £1,800 price drops. That puts the 250 SXF price at $8,199, the 350 at $8,699, the 450 at $9,199, and the 450 SXF Factory Edition at just £10,199. Now, I know that's a lot of numbers and there are endless questions about KTM's future, but this is a major move by KTM. This may be the final line in the sand, a price that will not be repeated once the company is finally restructured. Let me know your thoughts below in the comments. Are you tempted by the big orange machine's offers? Thanks as always to everyone, but especially the BAREBONESMC family who support me with their donations. Without them, this wouldn't be possible. Try and remember to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Sharing the video anywhere you think people will be interested helps us too now the YouTube algorithm has thrown us in the bin again. And if you would like to help us to stay truly independent, you can make a one-off donation or join our group of monthly subscribers on the Ko-fi link in the description. Monthly subscribers get access to a private group where I share videos that YouTube sees as unfit in some way or another, and people who make a one-off donation get exactly the same access as the monthly subscribers. It just resets after 30 days. That means for a minimum donation of just £1, you get to see if you think the extra content is worth more than £1 a month. And if you do, you choose the amount you can afford to chip in each month. Thanks as always to all the supporters for your help keeping the channel going. Without you, it just wouldn't exist. And always remember, keep your spanners close and your keys even closer. Ride free, everyone!